Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. For those of you who are joining me for the first time. Also, if you're joining me for the first time, or if you're back and you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to do so for a variety of DIY projects. For today, we're going to make this beautiful mannequin cupcake stand. This cupcake stand can run you up to $220. Today, I am going to show you how you can create this beautiful cupcake stand for your event for around $75, believe it or not. I myself have looked at this cupcake, like I have flirted with this cupcake stand, like I was looking at it, I was flirting with it to buy it, but then here recently I said, well, why don't I just try to see if I can create this thing myself? Like I kind of put it together, did like a little pre-setup, and it just looks beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you know the things that you're gonna need to make this beautiful cupcake stand for like your dessert table, your candy table, whatever you choose to use it for. Okay, so of course you're gonna need a mannequin. So I got this mannequin for $39 on Amazon. So if you can, I think that's probably that item is the most pricey of all the items that you're gonna need. So if you can find that cheap, hey, go for it. Also, you're gonna need floral foam. I am gonna use 8 of these. I am gonna make a 2-tier cupcake stand. Now the one that I see on Etsy, it is a 3-tier. So I will explain to you how you can make it 3-tier if you choose to. I have some bling wrap. I'm gonna use this to decorate my mannequin dress. I have some gold spray paint. I'm gonna spray paint her gold. Here I have 2 yards of fabric. Now, this is polyester fabric. I initially wanted some satin fabric, but I believe satin fabric would be a lot more pricey. I got this for $9.99 a yard, but with my 40% off coupon, I think I got it for like around $15. And as you can see, this polyester fabric is shiny, so it does have a nice shine to it. You're gonna need 3 foam boards. Now, I already pre-cut this out. As you can see markings and you can see little holes. My circles are not perfect, but see, this is gonna be hidden underneath the mannequin. So this is let me see, I did right. This is an 18-inch circle, so it's 18 inches going across. Then for your other 2 foam boards, so this, you're gonna have to take 2 and you're gonna have to put them side by side. I taped them and also I hot glued them as well. So this circle here, let me just take a look. This is a 24-inch circle. Now, if you want to get your 3rd tier, you're going to have to make a 31-inch circle, but you need to make sure you have a table big enough to hold it, because I have like a 6-foot table here, and if I made the 31-inch circle, it would just go off the table. So also you're gonna need, or you can get this to help decorate your mannequin. I got this $5 necklace from Walmart. Now this, another good thing about this mannequin cupcake stand, you do not have to have a sewing machine. You don't have to sew anything. It's going to be all up to you if you want to sew this thing. I am going to just simply use some Corsage pins to hold the fabric or to put the fabric onto the mannequin and the cupcake stand. So there's no sewing. You don't have to have any sewing skills or anything like that. Now for my circles, I made my own compass using a stick and a pencil, and I use a ruler to help me measure my amount. So like if I wanted to make the 18-inch circle, I will make sure the string was 9 inches long. Or if I wanted to make the 24-inch circle, I'll make sure the string was 12 inches long. And then I just kind of went around. So you can make your own compass. The circles are not perfect, but like I said, they're gonna be hidden underneath the fabric. You're gonna need your X-Acto knife, scissors for cutting your bling wrap, and you use your X-Acto knife to help you cut out your circle. Tape, that's what you're gonna use to tape your 2 foam boards together. You wanna use some strong tape. And last, you're gonna use your hot glue gun to help you create the base of your cupcake stand. So those are the items that you're gonna need for this project, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I did was spray paint my mannequin, and I just wanna point out on the spray paint can that this it says bonds to plastic. So I got the one specifically for plastic. Now I have that drying. It's gonna take about an hour, but really for it to completely dry, they recommend that you let it dry for up to 24 hours, but in an hour it will be dry to my touch. So now I'm gonna move on to making the base for my cupcake stand. Fabric, you're gonna take it, find the edge that hasn't been cut, okay? And that's the part that you want at the top. And then I'm just going to make sure I have this fabric centered around my mannequin. I'm gonna turn the mannequin so you can see exactly how I'm pinning it onto the fabric onto the mannequin. Okay, so now I'm taking the fabric and I'm gonna grab it, just making sure that I have it perfectly centered. So I want to grab it as tight as I can grab it, and then you're gonna insert the Corsage pin. So I'm gonna insert one here at the top. I'm trying to get it as tight as I can get it so that you can see the shape of the mannequin. So now I'm gathering it in another place. As tight as I can, because I wanted to show the mannequin's form. So I have finished pinning it, and I used 3 pins. And if you look at it, it just looks like it's a dress with a train. So You don't have to cut it. You don't have to sew it. I think this just looks just as beautiful. It just looks like a dress with with ruffles going down or a train going down the back of it. Now I'm using my bling wrap to go along the top border of the dress. And I wanted to hot glue it, but I'm gonna end up just having to pin it because my hot glue guns are messed up right now. So I'm just gonna put it where I wanna put it. And then I'm just gonna use 2 Corsage pins and pin it on each side. And then you're gonna take another piece. Let me do this piece first. Let's see. So I'm pinning this one on to the back. And remember, this is a front view, so it really doesn't matter too much how the back looks, because you're gonna use it for like a dessert table or a candy table. Now for the other piece of the bling wrap, this is gonna make the belt for your mannequin. So you're just gonna put that where you want it to go. And again, I'm just gonna use pins, making sure I have it on there nice and flush. So I'm gonna pin this into place. Okay, I'm putting the necklace on. I think it came out so beautiful. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this mannequin cupcake stand. And if you know of anybody that have an event coming up, please feel free to share this video. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Thank you for viewing my video today. Until I see you next time. Bye.